So generative AI is great at giving answers when you ask a question, but it doesn't demonstrate any reasoning. On the other hand, agentic AI can reason, plan, adapt, and take action. Not just respond, not just generate text, but actually do things. So what does an AI agent actually do? At a very practical level, an AI agent does four things. First, it will understand a goal. For example, resolving customer issues, investigating why a particular KPI metric dropped. Second, it will reason and plan. It breaks the goal into steps and decides what should happen first. As a third step, it takes action. Calling APIs, querying databases, triggering workflows, sending emails, updating systems, etc. And finally, it learns from outcomes. What worked, what failed, what to do differently next time. Now here's where things get really interesting. You can build a single AI agent that handles one task end to end. And that's great for focused use cases. But enterprises don't work like that. Real organizations work in teams. So should AI. That's where multi-agent systems come in play. Instead of one agent doing everything, you create multiple agents, each with a clear role. For example, one agent retrieves data, one validates quality and compliance, one reasons and makes decisions, and one communicates outcomes to users or systems. Each agent is focused. They collaborate, they share context, and they even challenge each other's outputs. And the end result? Better accuracy, better control, and far more trust. So, what drives agentic AI? Large language models act as the decision-making brain of AI agents. The real magic happens when generative AI is combined with tools and APIs, memory and context, business rules and guardrails, monitoring and governance. Generative AI gives agents the ability to reason over messy, unstructured data, make decisions without rigid rules, and adapt when inputs change. But without structure, agents become unpredictable. With structure, they become reliable digital teammates. If you're building an AI agent for your enterprise, a few principles matter a lot. First, one agent, one responsibility. Avoid building do-everything agents. They fail fast. Second, keep humans in the loop for high-impact decisions. Agentic AI should assist and recommend, not silently override. Third, design strong guardrails. Limit tool access, control data exposure, and log every action. Fourth, treat agents like software components. Version them, test them, and monitor their performance. And finally, start small. Because one agent solving one real problem creates more value than 10 experimental ones that nobody trusts. Let's talk about some use cases in which agentic AI can add value. In customer operations, agents can understand the issue, pull relevant context, suggest resolutions, escalate things only when needed. In financial services, agents can gather data from multiple systems, run checks, flag anomalies, produce decision-ready summaries. In data analytics, agents can interpret business questions, pull the right datasets, validate results, and explain insights in plain English. In all these cases, the real value isn't automation alone. It's faster decisions, better outcomes, and less cognitive load on people. To wrap up, agentic AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about building AI collaborators that scale efficiency, reduce friction, and handle complexity. Thanks for watching.